What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to generate images for free with Bing AI in 2025. So the first thing that you have to do is to get to their site like so. To do that you're gonna search it on Google, Bing AI, like so, and it will be the first link. So to generate an image now, all you have to do is search a topic or something that you want to generate an image for. For example, let's generate an image of a horse driving a truck. Like so. Also, now, as you can see, I have 11 points. Every time you generate an image, this number of points will decrease by 1. So these are the results for our unusual topic. They are not great, but they are not bad. Also, now let's try an easier image to generate. For example, a man walking on a beach, looking at moon. Let's see how the AI managed to generate this topic. So these are the results. They are not very good, but they are free. Also, you have the option to let Bing AI to surprise you. Let's use it and see what they will surprise with. Now what we have to do is to generate this image. So these are the results. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.